Okay, hello everyone. My name is Brandon Leong. So today I will talk about our experiment one, that is introduction to MATLAB for power system. We are from Group 8 and we are consist of three members, that is Muhammad Afiq bin Asmi, Muhammad Har Aizat bin Baharom, and me myself, Brandon Leong. So for the introduction, for this experiment, we were given the task to explore MATLAB and its resources. The title of the first experiment is Introduction to MATLAB, where we are given a guideline with the assist of our lecturer, Dr. Jamil Abdullah, through the Google Meet. Sorry. So our group consists of three students, as I mentioned just now, and the task will be segregated, even, and fairly. So the steps and results will be shown later in the reports. So for the objectives, to produce the sufficient knowledge in MATLAB to solve the power system problems. And next is to write a MATLAB program. So for the exercise, we are going to use software that is MATLAB, and MATLAB is a mathematical expression designed specifically for engineers and scientists to analyze and design systems that brings better product for the world. So as we can see, we are using MATLAB, and this is MATLAB workspace. So how the data is acquired, we use Simulink to drag and drop the items. For example, the transfer functions, the scope, sources, steps, and etc. So the workspace of our experiment are shown below in our reports, and as you can see in our report, the figure shows the components assembled and connected in MATLAB software. So to connect each components, we simply drag the ends of the components and drop it to the other ends of the component then the other user wants to connect. So for the experiment, we were assigned to build an electrical transformer and compare the leakage flux with the core flux and observe the primary and secondary sides of MMFS. So in the end, we obtain the data by double-clicking the scope to reveal the scope windows. And last but not least, our results are shown in our reports. That's all. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Afiq bin Azmi. I'm from Group 8, Lab Power System. So this is our block diagram for Lab 1, Introduction to Simulink. So this is our step-down transformers block diagram. So we have AC voltage. Uh, so we set it to amplitude 100 and frequency 50. So it goes to voltage measurement. So this is our linear transformers. Our linear transformers, we set it primary at 100 and secondary at 30. So this is our linear series resistor. So it goes to voltage measurement, marks, and lastly at scope. So we run it the simulation, so we can get the graph of transformers, step down transformers. So the graph is like this. The yellow graph is primary transformers, and the blue graph is secondary transformers. So we use a power GUI at 5E negative 5S. So that's it from me. Thank you.
My name is LAB1 and my matrix number is CE190134. So today I'm going to explain a discussion and conclusion our project. For the discussion, the input that we use for the experiment is the same as the output graph. It means that this experiment has been done successfully and we gain knowledge in using MATLAB software and the use of step-down transformer. So MATLAB and Simulink can be used to conduct the power system studies and coordination analysis, design power system, and also create control algorithm. This shows that MATLAB can be used by many ways, not just by building a circuit and simulate it. It also can help us to develop application with graphic user interface, and it's very useful as a straight programming language. Depends on what program you want to write. So let's say about this experiment, we use the SimScape, which is it is a mode that helps us to develop control system and test system level performance. It is used to model physical structures with physical flows, converting SysML, so we can call it a systems modeling language. So it is a well suited for a construction of dynamic, self-contained control system that is used in vehicles, power plant, manufacturing plants, and many more. So let's go for the last session. It is conclusion. For the conclusion, we managed to complete our experiment by using MATLAB software and build the diagram for the step-down transformer. Other than that, we managed to get the result of graph for the diagram. Finally, our communication skills, our presenting skill is improving by doing the presentation video and during our group brainstorming session. So for the duty distribution among members, we all have 3 members: me, myself, Muhammad LAB1, and my friend Muhammad Afiq bin Azmi and Brandon Leong. So my job is to create minute of meeting. So we create minute of meeting at Google Meet every week. 2 days before our lab, and Muhammad Afiq Azmi are doing the simulation using MATLAB, and lastly Brandon Leong are doing all the report. For the video presentation, we all three of us are doing it together. Thank you.